the Month Club, designed to showcase some of the best talent that Dukascopy attracts. I'm Rowena Harris-Doughty for Dukascopy TV. Good luck trading.
This here, it gives you an actual timeline and actual colors. Because this is about color system. This is not about me. This is about how you can see the colors live and be able to understand whether the price action or per se the value of the euro dollar or euro yen, euro pound. And there are a total of 28 currency that is intermixed right now. So that's what you're looking at.
The typical day trader who's sitting in front of his laptop or any sort of computer screen with the same sort of sophisticated intelligence that the big financial institutions have when they sit down in front of this. So you're going to be able to follow the steps, because what the system does is it interprets everything through these very, very easy to understand graphics and charts and signals. But you also have the protection of having an interactive, real-time, running DJ, so to speak, who is there with you, a experienced financial analyst, guiding you through this.
Without having the mentor or without having a coach standing right next to you, and you expect to become a professional soccer player, if you don't get the certain techniques for you to raise that level of expertise, you're not going to go anywhere. You're going to be just spinning around in the same circle. So what we have here is a technology. As a moderator, his job is to just make the calls based on what he is seeing. He's not making the predictions of what's going to happen in the next 4 or 5 hour time frame. He's there as a verbal, while this system here is literally telling you. And I mean, if you see the color of what really happened this morning, from 3:30 this morning from European Open on a euro yen pair, this is a 5-minute chart. It has gone literally 100 pips.
And what is a pip? Explain what a pip is.
Pip is, I'm going to keep it simple, is a unit measure. It's like stock market. If Google is at $224 per share, I don't know if that's what it is now, it's probably 300. So if it's at $224 per share, the Google share has gone up to maybe $324 per share. It has increased literally $100. That might be jumping a gun, but it's a 100-unit measure. We have a technology, literally we are freeway to riches here. We're using a rollway diagram. If you know how to drive a vehicle, you're in good shape. You're qualified to take up on our journey. All it takes is 30 minutes of your time, and then we'll teach you exactly what to do. And then this is a typical traditional technology that you see out there in the open market. You got the, how would you ever know when to get into the trade? You have no idea. It's red, green, red, green, red, green. It's very, very, very complicated. This is what it looks like. Now, this is what we have. Very simple. Look at this, folks. This yellow line is considered a lifeline. We're at about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, about 9 o'clock. 9:30 is when the New York session begins. Prior to 9:30 opening, look what Europeans are doing, what everybody's doing before the market opens up in New York. Everybody gets posture into their position, just like a horse race. They all come out of their stalls, they posture. After a while, they go above the lifeline, it turns green, boom. 111 pips right up to the top. Then our system picks it out. It turns red on you. That's when we get out. So we've gained about 111 pips here in matter of from 8:30. And look at the thrust signature that we have here. From here, boom, all the way up. Next category, selling. We can also sell too as well. As I showed you before, this is the roadway to success. 2800 hour. This is the Asian Open, folks, by the way. The last chart that I showed you was New York session. Thereafter, in the afternoon, the euro had gone back down. Okay, gone back down. We went into the trade. We stayed in the trade. We didn't break out of the trade because it didn't go past the HMA, which is hourly. Okay, I consider that as a middle of the roadway. This is how we teach, middle of the roadway. As it continues, we stayed in the trade, went all the way down till it surpassed the second guardrail. So we're going out 110, then going back down 120 pips. That's phenomenal.
I have something exciting to tell you. I am in complete control of my retirement and destiny. Teach me and guide me. Nurobot system will open your eyes. Life's like that with Neuron.
My name is Neuro. Are you ready to trade?
Okay, we're getting ready to go down. Should be at 41.52. Strong progress to 41.37. It's red. Definitely, it's taking its time, isn't it? 41.36. It will tease you for a while. This is just like a game for them. It's all the bankers are getting in line. They're all putting their orders in their order baskets. They're counting the dollars because this is all pre-planned, ladies and gentlemen. They're not just doing out of whim. It's all pre-planned. What a nice drop. 41.19. Come on now. 41.20, 41.21. It's fluctuating. It hit the first guardrail. That red line that you see is touching it. You notice how it penetrated it, then it goes right back up to this particular bar. It goes up back about 62% or 50% retracement from the bottom. Let's give it some more time. It should hit 41.10 in the next 41.14, 41.13. We should. Let me go ahead and show you a scoreboard as well. See where we are with our pip. 29 pips we made. 4,300, 4,200. It's fluctuating. Okay, it's at 40.73. It's towards the bottom of the bottom. I think we made enough money here. We should finish off around 67 pips total. So that's a good profitability. There you go. 68. We're done.
Call 1-800-316-7560. Currently, our news is provided by Dukas Copy Center every hour on the hour with the finest anchor team available. Sign up at neuronnetwork.com webpage. Join Neuron Nation. Here's another winner by Neurobotics.
Like I shared earlier, folks, you can make money going up and you can make money going down. Currently, we're going down once again, 44.05. Our Neurobotics says to go down. And that's what we're doing, just following the instructions. We're not trying to be creative here. We're going with the trend of the market. As it gets created, we're going to go for the ride. It's at 44.01. The arrow points down. We're going to give you real-time instructions what to do every single minute of the trading time. It's 12:46 in the morning. Current trade is at 94 pip profit at 43.72. And we should finish off with a nice gain here at 170 pips. That's 17.0 profitability. I have looked everywhere for a job. Our system isn't working. I'm tired of being broke. Neuron Nation. Come and join Neuron Nation. First real-time ATM machine in the world. Secret technology is here for you to take in. All you have to do is sign up, take advantage of this opportunity. Neuron Network expanding to Beijing, Tokyo, mainland China, Bangladesh, India. Currently, we're going to show you some snapshots. We are expanding definitely to Beijing and Shanghai. We have China Central Television Network. Private institutions are getting involved with us. Wealth is definitely available to everyone. Pre-launch sign up now. Sign up at neuronnetwork.com. We have plenty of expansion to do. We need all the help we can get.
Neurobotic FX slot trading will definitely change your lifestyle. Join pre-launch sign up. 1-800-316-7560. Learn how to trade daily for free with the mentor program with Neurobotic Trading System.